stop at the garden center. Oh, let's see what it's given inside. Friends, a quick little stop at the garden center. You know my love for gardening. So each time I come to, every summer when I'm in Austria, I always have to stop at the garden center. So we're gonna go in and see what the garden center is given. Last year when I was here, oh my gosh, they had the most beautiful hydrangeas. So yeah, I'm excited to see what plants they have. So let's head inside. Seriously, all the plants I have in my garden are here. These really big one, I did treat it myself. These are the Samarellas. I did treat myself to these. How absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they're like the size of a butter plate or something. They're so pretty. Oh, goodness. And look, they have crotons. Oh my goodness. In pots. Well, I have these growing wild outside. That's so funny. These are so pretty. Home. I think I'm gonna grab two of these. Oh, so pretty. And this is the souvenirs that I do bring home. This is gonna look really pretty. Oh, yeah. With the three. I'm always just so taken back by nature, and oh my goodness, look how beautiful. Oh, look at these leaves. It's so gorgeous. How pretty is that? Like nature did that. How gorgeous. Oh, I'm just so obsessed with plants. It's crazy. These are so pretty. What is... Oh my gosh. What is... Isn't this just so gorgeous? I'm gonna look at the name so I can research it in America. Maybe I can get one. A successful trip at the garden center. I'm happy. Okay, friends, so we are back home from the garden center, and I'm just going to do a quick little whiz around the garden just to show you what it's looking like. View is absolutely beautiful of the mountains here in Austria. It is just so gorgeous, but we do have... Oh, the fountain is not on. It's not working. We do have some lovely little flowers here in the garden. And I mean, the views. I'm just going to give you a little view. It is just so beautiful. And look at the apples. Oh my gosh, it's so nice to see. I haven't seen apples growing on a tree in ages. But yeah, this is what the apple tree is looking like. How lovely. So I'm going to show you also all the other goodies that I've picked up from the garden center here in, in Austria. It was so fun. But look at the flowers. They are just so gorgeous. And of course, they have some of my favorites here. You'll never guess where I got... I don't know if I'm going to get in trouble for saying this, but you'll never guess where. Do you know I have these potato vines in my garden back home in Florida, and you'll never guess where I got them from. I may or may not have brought them home 2 years ago, and they're still going strong in my garden. Don't want to say too much. Don't want to say too much about those. But these I also have in my garden back home. These are just so gorgeous. I mean, how beautiful are these? Let me just take a quick little snap real quick because these are just too pretty. So we are on the terrace. I don't know if the microphone is gonna soften some of the traffic noise. But anyways, let's make our way around here. Again, I think these are called mandolines. I don't quite remember the names, but I do have... Do you know what? I'm so terrible with names. Oh my gosh, I just saw a new lemon here. I missed that. That looked like cutie right there. And I think I did have this in the show you this lovely large lemon. I might grab it later on to make some lemonade. But we're just gonna make our way around here. Isn't this view just so lovely? Minus the watering hose. It's just such a pretty view. I love it. And then this is one of the planters that I do need to fill with some of the cute little flowers that I did purchase from the garden center. And this little planter right here, I just love this. Let me just zoom out a little bit because how gorgeous is this? She is just so gorgeous. I love these planters. So in the winter time, of course, these are all taken back to the florist because wintertime, hello, horrible snow. It's very cold here. That's why I'm like rarely here in the wintertime because I cannot do cold. I love my Florida home in the wintertime. But anyways, that's another little planter that I'm going to plant up today. We're just going to make our way around here. Say hello to the ladder. The ladder is right there. But here is another gorgeous planter filled with these beauties. I just love these. Just make our way around here. Here we have the sauna, really lovely in the winter time. And then we're gonna make our way around. We have the hot tub, some seating, and some lovely edge for privacy. We also have this wineberry or this grape. Oh my goodness, this is the first time I'm seeing it. Apparently, this is the second time it's blooming, but this is the first time I'm seeing it in bloom. And oh, I am loving this. The grapes are actually really sweet. I'm quite surprised, but this is what, let me just zoom out a little bit, but this is what it's given. How gorgeous are these? They're a bit on they're a bit on the smaller side. I don't think they've been getting any fertilizer, but mm, so yummy and so sweet because the temperatures here in Europe has been so hot, like a crazy heat wave. It was definitely given Florida Florida temperatures, but these are the gorgeous grapes. It's literally laden with fruits. I mean, how gorgeous is that? Oh, so lovely, lovely. So this is just another another garden tour. I'm gonna come in and put my little. Mm, it's just so nice. You can most definitely take the girl out of her garden, but you can't take the garden out of the girl. All right, so this I'm gonna trail it up on this little trellis right here because yeah, it needs to be trailed up. But look at this. Oh, isn't that just so lovely? Oh my goodness. Let me just grab a few. They're just so good. And the bees have been enjoying them too, you know? Mm, so lovely. All right, so let's make our way back to where it all started. This right here is isn't this view just so lovely? The mountains in the background and all the gorgeous flowers. I mean, look at this. This is just so gorgeous. This is just such a favorite little view of mine. I'm going to fill that up. Ooh, where am I pointing to? I'm going to fill that up pretty soon with, what is that? All right, so let me just show you some of the goodies that I did pick up from the garden center. Okay, friends, so these are some of the little cuties that I did pick up from the garden center. First thing that I saw when we went in were these lambs, and oh my goodness, literally fell in love with these at first sight. They are so gorgeous. They are not in a raffia material, but it does give that vibe. And I feel like they're in kind of a plastic material. And I feel like these will last even longer than the raffia ones. And of course, it is solar. I am so looking forward to tonight so I can turn these on. But they are just so lovely. I did place them out in the sun when we did came back from the garden center so we can charge the batteries up. But yeah, I am so looking forward to these. I am going to place one on this table right here and one on the other dining table on the other side of the garden. But I am just loving these. And like I said, I can't wait for tonight to turn these on and to have this lovely little glow here in the garden. But these are so lovely. And this is the solar part. This is what I just love solar lights so much, especially now in Europe when it's just such a heat wave that's going on. Yeah, these are just absolutely perfect. So love these. Again, I did pick up two of these. And now that we're getting to the end of the season here in Europe, in summer in summertime in Florida, you can use these all year round. But now that we're going to the end of the season, the summer season, they do have a lot of things in the garden center on clearance, like summer items. So these were only €7.99 or even lower than that. So yeah, I did pick up two of these. Love them, and it reminds me of being back at home in Florida. I did pick up some of these solar lights. I think that they would look really nice in the planters, so I did pick up some of these. I don't remember how much these were, but they weren't that expensive. They do remind me of the ones that I do have in my garden back home, but these are they're black, and yeah, I think they're fully black, but these are just some white ones with some silver lining. But anyways, I really do love these. So I did pick up six of these. As for plants, I did pick up these beautiful anthuriums. How gorgeous are these? Aren't these just the cutest little things? I just love these. All right, so these I do want to plant up in some of the planters that I did show you. Like I said, even though I am on vacation, home away from home. You can take the girl for a Florida garden, but you definitely cannot take the garden out of the girl. But anyways, I did pick up three of these, and I'm planning on grouping them with these. I think that this would look really, really lovely. I mean, how gorgeous are these? I remember seeing a lot of these in the garden center back home in Florida. And it's so funny seeing all the plants. Well, lovely, I should say, seeing all the plants that I do have or see in my garden and in the garden center back home. It's so lovely seeing them here. And some of them, because yeah, here it is, they do have actual winter. So they do treat some of the plants that I do have grown outside in my garden here or in Florida. They do treat them here as house plants. But anyways, it was lovely seeing that. This is why I'm always visiting the garden center when I do come here, because it's good to see like other things. All right. So I also did pick up some of these. They're just so lovely. These little succulents. And I'm planning on grouping them with kind of like this. This is so nice. In the head shaped planter, we're going to put this one there and kind of just sprinkle these around the perimeter. I think that would look really, really lovely. So that's the plan for these little cuties that we did pick up at the garden center. I also did pick up a bag of soil because we have no soil here. So we did pick up a bag of soil to fill in those little heads or those little planters, as it should say. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put on some gloves and start planting up those planters, which I'm just so excited about. But anyways, let's get started with that. Okay, friends, I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible because dinner is already on on the barbecue. So I'm just going to add some soil real quick. Pop that in there. Oh, okay. All right, so now I'm going to come in with these little cuties. I'm just going to gauge where I want to place these. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look how sweet does that look? That looks so sweet. I have to do this little display back in my Florida garden because this is super cute. Some water and she should be good to go. But oh, how sweet! I love this. All right, so let's quickly move on to the next one because I've been summoned to dinner. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. This is one of the lights that I did purchase from the garden center. So I did want to put it here on the terrace dining table. Okay, friends, so the garden is all planted up. These are cute little planters. I mean, how cute does this look? I absolutely, I just love this so much. I might have to get one of these for my home garden back in Florida, but this is just looking so lovely. All right, so now we're just going to give them a little drink of water, and then we should be all set with my little tweaks here in the terrace garden. I still have to go ahead and add all the solar lights because I am so looking forward to the little glow in the evening. I think that's gonna look really, really lovely. So let's go ahead and give these cuties some water.